Naive, meaning the word naive describes a person who is simple, innocent, and trusting. A naive person believes people very easily. In simple words, naive means trusting others without thinking too much. What does naive mean in daily life? A naive person believes what people say, does not expect lies or tricks, has little life experience. Because of this, a naive person can be easily fooled. Is being naive good or bad? Being naive is not always bad. It means the person is kind and honest. But being too naive can be dangerous because not everyone is honest. Very easy examples with explanation. He is naive and trusts strangers. He believes people easily. She was naive to believe the story. She did not think carefully. More simple example sentences. Naive people believe fake news. Children are often naive. Experience makes people less naive. Daily life situations. A naive person may give money to a stranger. A naive student may believe wrong advice. Learning helps people stop being naive. Student-friendly sentence. I was naive and believed him without proof. Easy memory tip. Naive equals innocent and too trusting